Introducing Heimish, your go-to skincare essentials for a clean, refresh, and nourished complexion. First, let's start with the All Clean Balm, your ultimate makeup remover. With its unique, soft balm to oil formula, it effortlessly melts away makeup, sunscreen, and impurities without stripping your skin. It's perfect for all skin types and ensures your skin feels soft and hydrated after every use. With just a small amount, this rich balm glides smoothly onto your skin, transforming into a gentle oil that breaks down even the most stubborn makeup. Infused with natural oil and mandarin extract, the balm effortlessly dissolves makeup, dirt, and impurities, leaving your skin feeling clean without any greasy residue. Next, treat your delicate eye area with the Marine Care Eye Cream. Formulated with algae plus peptides, this eye cream helps reduce puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines, giving your eyes a refreshed, youthful appearance. And goodbye to tired eyes.